Devashi?
So, uh, I I would invite some more shares because let's go a
Yeah,
little
I
off
think,
the
yeah, yeah.
script.
That's right. Let's go off
Right?
the script. Yeah,
I would invite Anjana to say
yeah.
something.
Yes.
So Malvika has traveled from Hyderabad to join us. Like people have traveled from different parts to, of the country, of the city to join us. It's special. They all adjusted their schedule. So we cannot go without knowing their story. And you all have been at the back, but today it's important for us to know those stories. So we are just going off the script, and please, we want you to share your story.
Discovered at a Diwali cards
Sir,
and
उनको बोलना
ये
था।
उसके बाद
नहीं, ये
she
सही
was
नहीं है।
she was discovered as Diwali cards and booze party.
So JP is anything but quiet.
Yeah, he's right. Actually, JP and my husband were friends. I think from Aunt Calcutta days. And that's how I found out about the chapter. And I joined in 2016, I think. And in 2017, I went to JP and said that why don't we start peer coaching? Because I'd seen it in in the global organizations. And he immediately liked the idea, took it up. And then I worked with Manveer, who was, I think, the director of special initiatives at that time.
I keep up the tradition, that's me.
And then we actually launched peer coaching in March 2017. And I think that was, it was amazing how it took off. By the end, I think I stepped down. Then I joined the board in 2018. For 1 year, I was on the board. And I have the master list. I was just looking at it. I think we had done 8 rounds by the time I stepped down, and we had over 50 members participating. So I think it was really quite amazing how it took off. We had 2 month rounds. The rounds lasted for 2 months. We started with 4 sessions, and then we made it 3 because it was more global. And so we launched peer coaching, and I think it's still going strong.
Yeah. So, Sangeeta and Bharti, our peer coaching directors, do you want to say something and add something to what Anjana shared?
And I only want to say thank you, deep gratitude to you, because it's a tradition of peer coaching and mentoring that keeps the coaching inside of us alive. And I never knew this, although I joined way back in 2018 when David and Cindy Peace were giving that beautiful Coach Connect on cross-cultural coaching. And closer, no, this is not working actually.
This is not. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Both of you come here.
So David and Cindy Peace were giving Coach Connect on cross-cultural coaching, and it actually struck my mind that why not go deeper into cross-cultural coaching and do peer coaching in that space. And thanks to my dear friend Bhavna. Bhavna must be sitting somewhere behind that. Bhavna, yes, Bhavna, please come over. And she came up with Cherish, and we did a lot of cross-cultural coaching and peer coaching with global coaches, and all thanks to you. So deep gratitude to you.
That's great. That's wonderful.
So, like Sangeeta said, I have no words other than just deep gratitude and a lot of appreciation for the ball that was started to roll 10 years back. And we just hope that we don't drop it. And I'm sure with the GB that we have and all these members and the Cherish to continue, I'm sure we're going to do a lot more, continuing with the cherished journey, the cherished memories that you have started and taking the legacy forward. Thank you so much for the beginning.
So please stay on stage. Our current member, Sangeeta, stay on stage. So we'd want Aditi's to share. Please.
Malvika,
Can you hear me? Yeah, I think
it's
this one
working.
is working. This is working. So two things come to my mind. I think I was resonating with what Aditi Malhotra shared when we used to collect membership fee in cash. So even before the gadget came in, there was cash. And I remember that there used to be two people, one holding the envelope and one, counting the money. So that used to be quite a scramble. And at the end of the day, we used to go through the checklist of how many people actually enrolled and is the money matching. So that's one memory. And the second very interesting memory is when, in fact, I was sharing with Debishi that we actually launched something like a podcast before podcast even became popular. So these were a series of sessions that we used to host with speakers from all across the world. I remember hosting one with Sushit Ravindran, and nervous as anything because we were not sure if technology will be in our favor, if it will all go smoothly or not. And I remember that time Sushil, Nina, we all were teamed up. And I remember getting a message from Sushil saying, he is going great, because I wasn't really sure if the voice is going through, the audience is responding or not. And I just remember that one message was like, oh, okay, it's going great, carry on. So yeah, a sense of team, a sense of belonging. This is what the chapter had offered to me 10 years back when I had joined. And very best wishes to from where it's about to take off from here.
Thank you so much. Anybody else was? Yeah, Malvika.
JP mentioned about the food part of it, and which has played a very important role because, Ganpati is also known with his laddus. Our first meeting was a chaat party, and it happened below Aditi's office in the Saket area, and we had chaat, and then we had the meeting. So you can imagine that means food has played a very important role. And the other story that I want to share is where JP used to push us to become a charter chapter. And I still remember 50 members, we have to be a charter chapter. We'll get funds from Global ICF. And that was our goal. So it was like, go ahead, get to be a charter chapter. And the day we got our 50th member, he was talking about the 100th member, but the day we got our 50th member, there was so much of joy, that we could do it. We are a charter chapter. I still remember that day and the celebrations, and our Sienna office was always a place to have Saturday celebrations. So that's another story that I remember.
Yeah.
And
Super.
Thank you so much. I'll invite the next generation of the Director of Membership, Bhavna Nagar. And Vivek Agarwal, our current Director of Membership. Do you want to add something to it?
how many members are there now?
We have close to, how many members? We have
Debishi, sorry, before we start this, can I just please take one name? Those of us who've been around for a couple of years would remember. Manbir Kaur, who's now a part of the international board as well, had the most impact, when it came to learning events and our very, very important CCUs. So I just want to, share some gratitude for Manbir and her work through the years with us.
Super.
So thank you so much, deep gratitude, and I think the legacy is continuing and there are different forms that we are coming with. We started Cherish, and that again as a membership director, it was more about cherishing each person just the way they are, right? So while we cherish ourselves, how is it that we also cherish another life equally? And that's the spirit of coaching, yeah. So thank you so much for being there, and thank you.
Yellow. So we can have, while we are having more stories, so we would, invite all the, so we have 3 or 4 generations of the leadership out there. So I would invite the ex-GV members to felicitate the founding team and the current GV members to felicitate the ex-GV members. So please come on stage. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I'll take the lead for Anjana. Anjana.
Yellow, up yellow for So we start with peer coaching. Director, being felicitated by Sangeeta Dasgupta, Peer Coaching Director 2023-25. And Sangeeta is going to be felicitated by our current Peer Coaching Director, Bharti. Pot. Yeah. Next, we would invite the Director of Memberships to come forward from the founding team. Felicitated by Bhavna Nagar, Director of Membership. Surekha. No, Surekha was education. Come. Yeah. ठीक है अभी आपको आना है. And Bhavna Nagar is going to be felicitated by our current Director Membership, Vivek Agarwal.
Yeah.
Now I invite Uttara Patnaik, and she has seen the evolution of our chapter in different scale, different lenses, and got us 2 awards: the Best Chapter Award and the Chapter for Best Community Services, being felicitated by Suparna Banerjee, our Director of Community Services 23-25, and we would want Kenneth Wheeler. Kenneth, where are you? Can somebody get Kenneth?
Wheeler.
You can come here. You're fine. Can somebody call Kenneth? So while we're waiting,
I'd like to say something about it.
yeah, you can come here.
The person who's silent and stoic. That's why I kept the boxes. Shush, I'm acknowledging Uttara. Silent and stoic, and my North Star. The perfect mentor and guide anyone, any leader can hope for in the board. I was so fortunate, and I don't think I got to acknowledge her enough. So here's a big hooray for Uttara Patnaik.
I think it's required. Maybe we are dragging a little long with the.
And now we have Kenneth
Let them soak.
Wheeler, our current Director of Community Services, felicitating Suparna Banerjee. Yeah.
Some gender diversity is happening.
Yeah. Next, I would invite the Director of Education from the founding member team. Director of Education.
Director of Education from your team.
Aditi, Director of Education, felicitated by Surekha. Yeah. And then I'll invite Rajneesh Mathur, the next Director of Education, and our current Director of Education, she's not there in the country right now, Seema. You have to.
Passing on of the
Rajneesh to pass. Surekha.
Yeah. What was your portfolio?
And Rajneesh.
Communication.
I have to wait.
Oh, membership. We missed.
Rajneesh.
Haan. So maybe Rajneesh and Leela, we have multiple directors in in between. Let's not forget, Kanika was peer coaching, so we missed that. So can we have our current director of peer coaching, membership, education is there. Bharti, can we Bharti, membership and peer coaching. Vivek, education is nahi. So Deepika is felicitating Rajneesh Mathur, director of education.
Wow, थोड़ा सा photo just. This is going to be news headlines tomorrow.
Please, Kanika, come on stage. Bharti, director of peer coaching. Our current director of peer coaching is felicitating Kanika Kohli, our ex-director, GB member of peer coaching.
Pristine moments. You did like this, no? So the photographer got a little.
I don't know what's happening. It's constant chaos. Yes.
Wow.
अब एजुकेशन लेते हैं मेंबरशिप आप दो ना राधाकांत जी आप दो हाँ आ जाओ So next we have Leela, director of membership, being felicitated by Radhakant ji, who is the director of membership 2021-23. I'm sorry, I might be like
Can I say something?
yeah please come ahead.
During my board,
Come.
Check. Leela, you are very well heard.
इन्होंने हमको फंसाया. And in Bengali we have this word, जूतो सेलाई थेके चोंडी.
Yeah.
That's what I did, and I want to truly represent my entire board, all the folks who are here, and those who are remembering us. On behalf of them, I would like to take this opportunity and say thank you.
Super.
President's one. And then Director of Communications.
Aditi, director.
Director of Communication, Adi, is getting felicitated by the next Director of Communication. We don't have Lovely today. Who else?
Aditya.
Aditya Shishodaya, on call. Okay. Bela Maitra, our current Director of Communication, will felicitate her. Aditya ko bulao na.
Wow. A little shift here and there.
And next, the most important role, treasurer. Invite Ajay Pashricha to be felicitated by Mr. Amit Kumar. हाँ, अमित जी को और सानी करेंगे, सानी को और एक करेंगे. हाँ, ठीक है. Please hold on. We'll have Sunny Besain felicitating Amit ji. Where is Sunny? अब दोनों ना डालो.
Sir. Just leave it here.
Sanjeev.
And Sunny is the only treasurer who's making full use of all the resources, wearing the ICF t-shirt.
And Sunny Besain being felicitated by our current treasurer Sanjeev Gupta.
Where we started. So when we wrote this, it's a water. See, recognizing the seats normally nahi hota hai. And for us, we never had a view of you. I joined in 19.
Secretaries. मेरे से पहले सेक्रेटरी कौन था?
I got JP's name and then I spoke to JP. He gave the names of all of you.
The next role is very important, that of the secretaries. हाँ, मैं संध्या को बोलती हूँ। नहीं, मैं ही करती हूँ। मैं करती हूँ। Yeah. So I would invite Aditi to come, and I being the
Money plant? अच्छा, money plant. ठीक है. हम बोलेंगे.
and I have the privilege and honor to be the secretary in
Money plant कर लेंगे. है हमारे पास money.
2023-25 and would love to felicitate her.
Plan थोड़ा सूखा हो गया. Event का part. Hey, this may be misunderstood in the media. आप flower petals दे रहे हो, and they are like doing this.
Before I go to our presidents, that profile, we had a special profile created last year. For the first time, we had the director of credentialing. And I would invite Sandhya Mathur and would invite Sweta to felicitate her, because it can't come from anybody else but from Global. Please. Yeah.
Sangeeta, we have not changed the slide, huh? Please note. Please note.
Sandhya Mathur, she was the first credentialing director in India. We had it from Delhi, and she's in the current board as well.
Laptop podium से है. आपको थोड़ा सा मदद चाहिए होगा.
The story is incomplete without the director of partnerships. Kaushik. And who was there before? Yeah. So I will invite director of partnership Kaushik, 23-25, and right now the vice president 25, current board, to be felicitated by Dr. Amitav Kumar.
Thank you, Amitav. Don't come too close, two guys. It may be wrongly misunderstood.
So I just wanted to say something for Kaushik. You know, I was treasurer, but he is single-handedly responsible for the most amount of money which the chapter has.
Don't share the amount.
Yeah, so I think he really deserves a big round of applause. So thank you, Kaushik.
And last but not the least, the presidents. So may I invite Mr. JP Singh to be felicitated by Radhakant ji. A big round of applause for both of them.
दोबारा जेपी जैसा हो बीजेपी जैसा हो
And please be on stage.
सर
सर वो रुक जाइए. एक फोटो होनी चाहिए आज और कल. And I have the privilege of felicitating Radhakant ji, our champion president. 3 cheers for.
newspaper is going to be. Lovely.
Our vice presidents, how can we forget them? Our first vice president, please. I think people played multiple roles. Vice president is not there. Okay, not there. So I would invite Kaushik, our current vice president, to say something and felicitate our ex-vice president Amit ji.
I think let Amit just speak out. Hello, check. So Amit ji, it's your turn. They say that presidents have a lot of virtue, but sometimes I don't know why they created vice presidents, right? But they are the guys who claim to have no work in hand, but actually does all the work, right?
Right.
Yes, Amit.
In fact, it was a privilege for me to be the first vice president of the chapter. So, in fact, we set a path for future boards. Thank you.
Hello, can we get all the current board members on the dais, please? Current board members, and we would like to invite Sita, who's one of the oldest member here. Sita, please join us.
Sita ji, Abhimanyu.
Sita ji, Abhimanyu ji, please.
Rajan sir.
Rajan sir, please join. Alok sir, please join us, please.
And we'd invite Sweta to felicitate all of them. Yeah. Rajan ji, please come on stage. Dr. Rajan, it's a privilege and honor to have all these people who made the Powell Foundation. They have been there and made it strong and created the space. A big round of applause for all of them. May I invite Dr. Sita on stage?
This won't work.
Next, I would invite Dr. Sita to come on stage and Shweta to felicitate her. Yeah. Can we give the mic to Dr. Sita? Both her. Mic.
Excuse me, I wanted to say something for JP. JP, hi. When I joined the chapter,
We are just capturing the pulse of the chapter, yes, of the community.
when I joined ICF chapter 10 years ago, I joined ICF chapter 10 years ago, and so I remember JP so well. I could see that he was creating a very inclusive society over here, very inclusive group. And I had so many queries because my friend Vikas Malhotra made me join this group. I was a little at sea. I had so many queries. I was flooded with many queries. And prompt I would get the answer. So in your speech, what you said in your keynote about, that you learned one thing, that you had to answer people, you had to address people's issues. He did it so well. Hats off to him. And your keynote was really touching. Very good.
Thank you so much. I would invite Abhimanyu to come on stage. Yeah. Abhimanyu, do you want to say something? And Shweta to felicitate Abhimanyu. Yes, please come. Anybody who has to share about him, please do come. Yeah.
to share something. Being the director of membership, Abhimanyu's name comes first on the list. So a big round of applause for remaining here years together in the first number and being the first member to always make the payment on time. I think incredible.
And Abhimanyu is actually, he lives his name in the world of coaching. And I am very, very happy and very proud to say that if I have learned coaching truly, it's because of him. Thank you.
Wonderful.
And one thing that always comes to mind as I see this gentleman is his absolute candor and courage. He always says it like it is.
So, Mr. Bell.
Mike, Abhimanyu.
So I think it's such a humbling and a privilege to be here, because I remember the days when we had JP and the entire team in Panchsheel Park, the basement, and we used to catch up. And then we had a new team. And then we had a new team, and we had Badri and gang. And then we had Rashtrapati, as I call him, Radhakant, Rashtrapati of the chapter. And now we have Debashi. I'll just say one thing, that one of the most important things I've learned in both as a coach as well as a member of this chapter is that you really don't know the greatness sitting on your left and right. And the only way to know the greatness is by taking your right hand forward and meeting with them. Because you'll be fascinated by the kind of human being and the unique human being you're seeing on your left and right. I've had the privilege of mentoring about 18 people straight through to PCC directly. And I'm not saying that's a good thing for me. Well, in as much as the pride that I take when people say, who's been your mentor? Because in your success lies the success of this chapter. And if you're aligned to do things right, we're all aligned for greatness together. So thank you very much to each one of you, and especially to this one and only lady who's a pack of energy, and I think she's what the epitome of a great leader and a coach put together is. So thank you, Debashi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I would invite Sandeep Jain to come on stage.
Debashi,
Yeah.
we also have Alok ji.
Yes, Alok ji.
Yeah, I think before Sandeep. Up.
Alok ji on stage. And Sweta felicitating him. Join your hands for this moment.
आप कुछ बोलो. Say something. Say something. मैं पीछे से बुलाती हूँ उनको. संदीप जॉन को बुलाती हूँ.
सर देखिए सामने इधर. सर देखिए इधर. सर सामने क्या? Face this camera please. Once again.
Say something. मैं पीछे से बुलाती हूँ उनको. संदीप जॉन को बुलाती हूँ.
सर देखिए सामने इधर. सर देखिए इधर. सर सामने क्या? Face this camera please. Once again.
Sir, you would like to share something?
Please say a few words.
Boss ये mics. Hello जी.
Excuse me,
Mics
can
काम
you
नहीं कर
get
रहे
the
हैं.
mic
Okay,
working,
okay.
please?
Thank you. So firstly, congratulations to the entire team today for organizing this entire celebration program. I was sharing with Kaushik that this is the first time I've seen in ICF, chapter that this kind of facilitation program is being, planned. But let me also share that I have learned today why this, charter chapter is so successful. If you look at our Puranic stories, there are two names are very prominent, Diti and Aditi. And we have three Aditis in our founding, as our founding governing body members.
We're all out
Now, for those of you who are not aware, Aditi is the name of the mother of Devs, Dev, and Diti was the mother of Danavs. So because we had three Aditis in our founding chapter, that's why, we see the success of the chapter so glaringly, apparent. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we have Mr. Sandeep Jain being felicitated by V. Krishnan. They're all our executive board members. They are the wind beneath our wings of any board, any chapter that we have. Do you want to say something?
No, I think I'll just wish everybody here and obviously the new board and the friend who was here with me all the best. I think as we've heard from what we were to what we've become, I think that there is a great journey ahead. And over to all of you to take us forward. I think Radhakanji has set the right benchmark in the last couple of years. So they're wishing over to you and the team.
Thank you so
all
much.
All the best.
Thank you. Photograph.
Photo.
So I'll invite all the current board members to come on stage and close this part of the felicitation. So the current board members 25, 27, please come on stage. Yeah. Please everybody come on stage. And I've been told we have a special member. I'm meeting her for the first time in person, but she's been there throughout this journey. Shruti Shurup, can you come on stage, please?
The long and the short of it.
And we'll also invite Yoshita to come on stage. So we have a lot of stories to hear from both of you. Yeah, please. And Shweta, as usual, please do the honor of felicitating all the power ladies. Yeah.
And gentlemen.
And gentlemen. Let's do them first, and then we, all the board, we might get naughty and do something you don't know.
Yeah. Usually they can fit in anywhere.
So when I was going through the Facebook photographs, I saw Yoshita, her husband, so many of people who are present today, they're 10-year-old, the version of them 10 years earlier. They looked a little different, but the energy was the same. And I would invite all of you to go back, we'll share the Facebook link, to go back and know about that time. Because as we keep on repeating, there's a continuity, there is the foundation that is already being created on which whatever comes up will be created. So,
Shruti.
Shruti? Yeah, please. Yeah. Mine? I'm on the edge.
That's what has coaches.
Thank you. Yeah.
One number.
Sweta, please stay on stage because you can't go without me felicitating you. I can go on talk to Sweta about her and we can talk to each other for hours and hours and hours. Long story short, there's been so many breakdowns which could have happened if she wouldn't have been there. So she's one of those who is always at the background, not at the back of the hall all the time, but always at the background, helping and supporting us in each and every event. I don't have many words to say right now because I get a little emotional when talking about her, because she'll always come with a gracious, sweet smile, but you don't know. Like the Pile Foundation that we are talking about, she's the strongest pillar which gets unseen. So a big round of applause for this powerhouse. Somebody, a woman who roars. And my privilege and honor to be able to felicitate her.
All the newspapers I will buy.
Thank you so much. Aditya Sisodia.
Aditya Sisodia.
Presenting Aditya Sisodia.
The man with the hat trick.
Many roles. Yeah. Is
Man with the hat.
Director of Communications? Education? Yeah. Bela is like, mujhe hai. Communication. He's a man with multiple roles. Yeah. So again, Aditya is somebody who is...
Bela, this is the
So
hat
there are
trick.
some
How do
help
you do
lines
this
in
with
the
hat on?
chapter. I would also like to mention about Rajiv. You saw his video. Yeah.
Naughty.
So there are people who will get my text at early in the morning, late at night and answer. They are one of them. They'll always be the savior. Say something, Aditya.
I would like to personally acknowledge and thank all the previous board members and the current board members and the chapter members, thanks to whom we are able to do this. And I still remember JP sir, are you here or you have left? Okay. I still remember the first time I came, JP sir messaged me, Aditya, please keep your ego outside. You are starting out, it's a great responsibility, and I thank JP sir for that message. That has really helped me to grow. So that's from my side. Thank you, everyone.
You know what? We can have an event only on this. I could see, people at the back saying, "Hamara kam time aur bhi event hai." Devishi, wrap up. Okay, so on that word, what do we need to do? Okay, see, who's going to do it? Achha, Sweta will do it. Thank you. We just realized it's KC and DC when we were writing the script. ऐसा है क्या? We need to say. सर आपको थोड़ा स्माइल करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो हम तो स्माइल नहीं करेंगे. हम कर रहे हैं. आपको भी स्माइल करना पड़ेगा. Very true. हाँ.
अभी हमने नहीं दे रहे स्माइल नहीं करने दे रहे आप स्माइल करिए.
Wow, good projector.
to just recycle. Recycle. और कुछ नहीं है, सब खत्म हो गया.
मैं अपना ले आती हूँ ना उधर से। हाँ, लेके आओ। They're very particular about हो गया next. आजकल तो शादी में भी यही होता है ना.
This is looking like a swamper song.
Can I choose?
हाँ वाइट ही आप अलग छोटे में जैसे
वैसे भी सब डिस्टर्ब है देन वी विल हैव हाँ केक कटवाना है कटवाना डिफरेंट भी हो जाएगा रुक जाओ बहुत ज़्यादा चल एक मिनट रुको भाई एक मिनट रुको केक की फोटो दीपिका आप अनाउंस कर रहे हो गाइस वी विल हैव अ केक कटिंग नाउ
Yeah, we'll do a cake cutting. Please join us for the cake cutting.
so everyone can come in the front और कटिंग कौन कर रहा है इनवाइट ऑल द प्रेसिडेंट्स
Yeah.
Guys, request everyone to come forward for the cake cutting. And we are inviting all the presidents.
Yeah, you can invite him.
And request all presidents to come. All the presidents.
यार विकी वाला करना है
Requesting all the presidents, Mr. JP, Mr. RK and Devishi to come for the cake cutting. And request everyone to come forward. नहीं, VP भी है। VP के अंदर president
दोबारा से चलाएं लूप में
हाँ शू से हाँ लूप में चला दो
लूप में चलता रहेगा ये
बेटर है
देखो डिजाइन अच्छा है संजीव
नहीं होता है